How to change account number in OneXBet account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change the account number of your OneXBet account, there are two different methods. If your account is not verified yet, you can change your account number by contacting the OneXBet customer support. For that, tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down to the bottom and select this customer support option. You can select your preferred contact method. For now, I'll select chat. Over here, you can contact with the customer support agent, and you need to provide them with your old account number and request an update. In the further process, they may ask for identification documents to confirm your identity. In order to find your old account number, you can come up to this menu option, select this profile icon in the top left corner, and over here you can see this account number option. Whereas the second method, if your account is already verified, it is a bit difficult because OneXBet usually links it with your verified identity. So the only option is to create a new account with the correct details. So that's it. That's how you can easily change account number in OneXBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.